Hello artistic people. So in today's video I'm gonna draw Katrina Kaif ma'am portrait with the help of pencil measurement technique. So let's get started. So first of all we have to take a picture of Katrina Kaif ma'am and I will start from the eye while measuring the eye from the top part of the pencil, and as the eye size is like this, so I am drawing 2 points according to the eye. Then I am just simply observing the shape of the eye, and again I am just making the eye upper lid and lower lid and also the eyeballs. I am measuring the size with the help of pencil so that I can get the best measurement or the best proportion to draw the portrait, as this method is mostly recommended by most of the artists to draw in the live demonstration. So this is the best method to draw any portrait. But here is a more chance to get wrong proportion if you are not practicing it, because it requires a lot of practice to get the best proportion. As I am just measuring each and every part again and again, the reason behind everyone has to measure it again because I am using tablet, so maybe the image becoming more wider and small, so maybe I can get the wrong proportion. So the best way to make the portrait with the help of pencil measurement is to get a printout of any portrait and then you can draw it. But as I am locking the image, so you can also do it with the help of your tablet or iPad also. Because the size of the tablet is almost like the page. Or if you want any other episode or any other tutorial on pencil measurement or on the printout, so you can DM me or you can just comment down in the comment section. The best part to measure with the pencil is that you have only one tool. With the help of that you can make any portrait. You can make live demonstration portrait also. Maybe in future I will be come up with that section also. So stay connected. I am using here pencil color. They are of very cheap quality. You can buy it only of 10 rupees or 12 rupees from the general store of stationery. For the hair I am using charcoal pencil and the brown pencil color. For the hair I am using soft charcoal. For blending I am using tissue paper. You can use black pencil also, but as I was not getting the good value or the dark part on the hair, so that's why I am using charcoal pencil. You just have to observe the portrait as it is in the image and go accordingly. For the face I have used orange color and I have mixed in it the pink color and the brownish color. I am darkening the eye part with the help of soft charcoal pencil. Once you get the proportion with the help of pencil measurement, it becomes easy to shade or to color the portrait. So, first of all, you just have to get the best proportion with the help of pencil measurement.
And then just give the detailing parts according to the portrait or according to the image. In the cloth I am using pink and the red color. For finger I am using brown color and the orange color. And I am also giving a yellowish tone on the face, as the color is not of the high quality, so they are not giving the desired results. However, I have just taught you how to use them. For the darkening the hair, I am using soft charcoal. Second layer. Or you can use multiple layers to get the darker value for hair. Now I am just blending the hair. So now our portrait is almost done. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, visit my other videos and comment down if you have any doubt or if you want any other lesson for pencil measurement techniques or other techniques. Thank you for watching.